Hi parents, it's Mr. Like again. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for all the hard work that you did with the previous day's lesson, and I want to talk a little bit about what today's is. Last time we really looked at what are controlled variables, what are things that you have to control in an experiment, and we also looked at the need for making numerous trials for each run of the car. Today we're actually going to start looking at two different variables and how those variables interact. In the end, they're going to be making a claim about how the height of the track affects the distance that the car goes along the carpet. So these are the two variables that we're going to be looking at. Moving forward in the next lesson, they'll get to choose their own variable, and they'll start messing with the masses of the car, different things like that. So the important things today is really looking at making that data table and then analyzing it in terms of the graph. Students' graphing skills might be at all different levels. You may have to help them get those axes set up just right on both sides, and then where to put those points. Don't get too concerned about the trend line or those kinds of things, but in the end, the idea is that they can make a claim, and the claim should relate back to the problem that we were trying to look at. How does the height affect the distance on the carpet? And if they can claim that the higher the car is dropped from, the farther it goes on the carpet, that's awesome. And you might be thinking, well, duh, that's something that we probably would have figured out without doing the whole experiment, and you're probably right. But now they do have evidence to support their claim. And the idea of when you make a claim, having evidence to support it is extremely important in not just science, but everywhere in life. So that's one of the things we definitely want to foster with the students. If you have any questions, please sure to reach out to your teacher or reach out to me, and we will definitely want to help you out because we totally want kids to like science.